I chose UCF ultimately because it's giant, there's so much diversity, so much opportunities being in a city with so many people. I already knew that I wanted to go down the biomedical science path, but Excel really helped me to make that more concrete and give me support to show me that this was the major that was right for me.
Excel has introduced me to most of my friends here. It's helped me make connections with recruiters. I've gotten into research earlier than most people have, and they made sure that my resume and my interviewing skills were ready for the real world.
Having people who were not only in the same major as me, but taking some of my major classes made it a lot easier to transition into college.
Joining Excel is one of the best decisions I've ever made. As a first year, they made my life a lot easier by connecting me to my gym's mentor, who was a girl who was older than me, but we were the same major and she was able to answer all of my questions without judging me, and I felt like that made my first year a lot better by allowing me to ask questions that I otherwise would have been embarrassed, and because of that I felt like I made a lot less mistakes than most people usually do in their first year. And also, as a second year, Excel helped me by connecting me to different professors so I could work in their research lab. And as a chem major, that was really valuable to me because that is mandatory for graduation. And for a second year to get chemistry research, it is pretty unheard of. So I was really grateful to Excel for providing me that opportunity.
Now, being in the GEMS Excel program has really helped me in ways by making friends, opening up to new connections. I've gotten to learn about different things at UCF, such as resources and events and clubs.
It provides a safe space for people who are struggling with classes or for people who are struggling with trying to be social. I know it really helped me kind of break out of my shell and be more involved in things.
I think Excel and GEMS really led me to give me the confidence to put my foot in the door as a freshman and apply to internships and go to things like internship fairs, and because of that I got to get a lot of valuable interviewing experience and things like that.
Not too long ago, I was a Compass mentee just like you guys and came in as an undecided engineering student. So I just want to talk to you a little bit about my experience with the program and why I think it's so great. So I came in with pretty minimal knowledge about the different engineering fields, but through the career planning class, I was able to hear from real-world industry professionals about what it's like to work in their field. Listening to these speakers really helped me figure out what I like and dislike about certain jobs, which then helped me narrow down what I could see myself pursuing in the future.
Hey everyone, my name is Dr. ARIELLE Gaudiello. I recently graduated with my PH.D. from the math department in 2019. So I worked as a teaching assistant for the Excel program for 5 years during grad school, and I loved it so much that I honestly couldn't leave. So now I'm an adjunct instructor. I've taught all of our math courses from college algebra through calculus 3, so you may have me as an instructor there, but I also teach our STEM seminar course. So this program is honestly such a great experience. I love being involved with the students and watching you guys as you progress through your math sequence, but also I really love learning about your success outside of the classroom and even after school. So a lot of my former students are now in med school, they're working towards their own PhD, and they constantly update me on their success.
Excel has a very supportive and energetic atmosphere, which lends well to learning. One example of how Excel creates a positive learning environment is the Excel Center, which is a place where you can go to get questions answered or get additional help for physics, chemistry, and math.
Something that I've really learned from my time here at UCF and with Excel is that in order to succeed, you are going to have to learn how to ask for help and learn how to recognize the people that want to be in your corner supporting you.
So you have so many great opportunities that are available to you by joining this program. And honestly, I'd really encourage you to get to know your instructors, your teaching assistants in the classroom, and even your fellow classmates. You don't know where those connections are going to lead you, and they could be something awesome in the future.
I really believe in the program, and I'm so glad I made the decision to join my freshman year and can't wait to continue in it in my next as a mentor. So with that being said, go Knights!